back to another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix File Explorer not responding or not working on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your File Explorer not opening or not responding on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you a couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. In this, the first method is you have to open Task Manager. You can just right click on your start menu and click on Task Manager, or else just press Ctrl Shift and Escape key. After that, in this list you need to find Windows Explorer. Right click on this Windows Explorer, then click on Restart. After that, check whether your issue has been resolved or not. After this, still it is not working, then try the second method. Click on this search menu, then type your control panel. Click on this control panel. Here you have to click on this category, then select as small icons. In this, you need to select File Explorer option. Click on this general. Once click on this clear, then click on restore default. After that, just click on apply, then click OK. After that, check whether your issue has been resolved or not. After trying this, still you are facing the issue, then in this open file location to, it is set as home. You just need to change and select this PC, then click on apply, then click OK. After that, just close this window and restart your PC. That's it guys. So this way you can fix Windows 11 File Explorer not working. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.